In 1799, Napoleon Bonaparte's army stumbled upon the Rosetta Stone in Egypt, a discovery that would unlock the secrets of ancient languages. But what many don't know is that the soldiers were led to the stone by a series of sneezes. As they marched through the dusty desert, a soldier's persistent sneezing fit forced the troop to halt. Annoyed, they dug at the ground to find the source of the irritant, only to uncover the stone. This accidental find revolutionized our understanding of history. Could a sneeze really change the world?